Hello, my name is Katherine Jenkins, and I teach Part 1 and Part 2 of Prep for Small Business at Edmonds College in the ELA department. Are you interested in small business ownership in English? Did you know that Edmonds College offers Prep for Small Business Ownership in the winter for only $25, and you can also take a level class for the same price? Our classes will be offered on Zoom on Tuesdays from 1:40 to 3:30, and there will be homework, assignments, and team projects on Canvas. I will record these Zoom classes to listen to later if you can't attend that time. In Part 1, we learned how to start businesses. In Part 2, we will dive deeper into branding, marketing, web design, licensing, taxes, and we'll work on speaking and listening related to business. If you have completed Part 1 or you've owned a small business and you are in levels 4, 5, or 6, you can take this class. Please meet me if you'd like to take this class and don't meet the first 2 criteria. We will have fabulous presentations by students who started their businesses in my class. They will give these presentations by Zoom and talk about how they have modified their businesses during the pandemic. During my 8 years teaching these classes, I've watched dozens of students become business owners, and many have come back as guest speakers to my classes to tell the other students about how they've started their businesses. These days, due to the coronavirus, many small businesses have closed, but online businesses, takeout businesses, and many other businesses are thriving. One of my students had an idea to create a cake shop where customers can design their cakes online and pick them up or have them delivered. What a brilliant idea! Entrepreneurs are innovative and know how to solve problems and work in teams. What a perfect time to be involved in entrepreneurship. Lonnie Lee is a guest speaker who sells her products at Etsy. She has sold dozens of face masks during the pandemic. Here are some of her other products. She makes everything from handbags to soaps. She even made me a personalized yoga bag, and she can sell all of these products online. Meet Halit Bouyak. He designs, produces, and sells his shoes online. He created his business and developed his business in my class. His shoes are beautiful, and he creates custom designs for his customers. I had the opportunity to meet him at the University of Washington Street Fair. I bought a pair of his shoes there. At the end of the quarter, I send each student a certificate. We will have an online graduation ceremony. I look forward to learning English and business with you. Register for Prep for Small Business Part 2 for winter 2021. Ask your current teacher to sign you up for this class, or you can also contact advising here. 425-224-7326. ESL Advising at edcc.edu. Thank you.